यस, नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग। और टॉपिक मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है, रक्षाबंधन आज का टॉपिक है। टुडेज टॉपिक इज रक्षाबंधन, बट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ B9 द टॉपिक इज मदर, बट इफ दे लाइक दे कैन स्पीक अपॉन रक्षाबंधन। क्लियर? यस, कम ऑन, वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद भावेश फ्रॉम
Yes,
B9। यस
sir.
भावेश, स्टार्ट करो।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Bhavish Sharma. Today's our topic is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a good, awesome festival. Raksha Bandhan is a good festival. Dead sisters tie Rakhi. Dead sisters tie Rakhi. Dead sisters tie Rakhi to his brothers, brothers. Dead day, brother giving. Dead, dead day, brother giving. Dead day, breathing. That the sister and brother is very happy that the sister feed sweets to his brothers, that the human make delicious food, that the human very happy. Raksha Bandhan celebrate is a pomp. Raksha Bandhan is a nice festival. Raksha Bandhan is a love festival. that this that this that the brother giving a gift to his sisters,
गिविंग नहीं, गिव बोलो बोलो।
that they that the brother give give a gift to his sisters. Thank you.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है बेटा तुमने, वेरी गुड।
Thank
निशा,
you, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
night, sir.
गुड नाइट। यस निशा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from Basic. Today, I am going to tell you about how do we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Uh, we know that India is a country of festivals because there are many festivals are celebrated here, like that Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Holi, Tej, etc. Raksha Bandhan is one of them. It is a very important festivals to Hindu sister and brothers because they because this day all sisters uh, this day all sisters and brothers are very happy. All sisters are going to market before this day and they
आर को इंग नहीं, को टेंस का ध्यान रखो। हाँ हाँ।
and they purchase Rakhi to their brothers and this day they tied Rakhi to their brothers and apply tika to their brothers and brothers give to their sister and they give promise they will save also him to any problems from any problems. This day shops and houses um, decorate and this day many foods are prepared in houses. um, this day it is very happy and nice festivals because this day married sisters go to their brother's house and they are they very happy in this day. What to but nowadays it it has become a business to shopkeepers because that day shopkeepers decorate to to their shops with very costly rakhi and sweets and sisters purchase to their brothers. That's it.
वेरी गुड। थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो, टेंसेस का ध्यान रखो। बाकी तो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना। टेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, लिखने में भी और बोलने में भी। सो कीप ऑलवेज माइंड योर द टेंसेस ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस। ओके, चेतना।
My name is Chetna Sokkaria. My my mother's name is Pista Devi. She She is 38 years old. She is very beautiful. She is very intelligent. She cares all. She is housewife. She loves all. I loves my mother. She is very good. She wears cloth. Sorry. She
Hmm.
wears sari.
Hmm.
She washes cloth. She makes food. She
No.
get up at 5 in morning.
Hmm.
She sleeps at 12 in 9.
Hmm.
She works hard. She like eat dal bati in food.
Hmm.
She is very hard worker.
शाबाश,
I
बहुत
am
अच्छा बोल रही हो। हाँ,
I am
घबराए
proud
मत,
of
बहुत अच्छा
her.
बोल रही है। हाँ। हाँ।
That's it, sir.
हम्म। वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, बहुत अच्छा। ये भी तो आपका, अभी तो हमने आपका स्पीकिंग चालू ही नहीं करवाया। अभी तो आपका ये समझ लो कि बस स्टाइल चल रहा है। बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो, शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन आस्था।
Yes, sir. India is the country of festival. Raksha Bandhan is one of them. Now I am telling you about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the famous festival of brothers and sisters.
हम्म।
It is a festival of happiness. On
हम्म।
on this day, on this day in morning, we go to temple. Sisters also take oath for their brothers on this day.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। हाँ।
This is the festival of Hindus. Sister pray for a long life for their brothers.
हम्म।
Sisters and brothers wear new clothes on this day. They make
हम्म।
delicious food. They make delicious food. They purchase
हम्म।
rakhi, and some sisters purchase costly rakhis of gold and silver for their brothers.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। हाँ।
They purchase they purchase many types of sweets on this day. Mostly they
हम्म।
purchase tevar, besan laddus, milk cake, etc.
हम्म।
Sisters apply tilak on their brother's forehead, and next
हम्म।
and next sisters ties rakhi on their brother's breast.
हम्म।
And brothers give very costly gifts to their sisters.
हम्म।
Sisters also give a coconut to their brothers,
वेरी गुड।
and their brothers promise to sisters that they help their sisters in every problem.
हम्म। हम्म।
Tomorrow, tomorrow is also Raksha Bandhan. It is a very nice festival, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। शाबाश बेटा। यस, खुशबू।
यस सर। सर तमन्ना का नेम है।
अच्छा, चल अब तू बोल दे, तमन्ना को तेरे बाद ले लेंगे। बोल।
Yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes Batch First. As we all know that today's our topic is Raksha Bandhan,
Hmm.
and we all know that how we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. It is a festival of Hindus. This day a sister goes to their brother house, and then some brothers goes to their sister's house. This day sister apply tika on their brother's head, and then she ties rakhi on their hand.
Hmm.
And they and then sister gives some coconut and some sweets to their brothers, and brother gives a promise that they will protect their all problems. And I want to tell you about meaning of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha refers to the protection, and Bandhan refers to the bond. This day, brother and sister celebrated Raksha Bandhan, and Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in the month of Sawan, and usually it is celebrated in the month of August. And before some days, sister goes to market for purchasing rakhi for their brother, and then they celebrate Raksha Bandhan. This day all people look very happy and enjoy this festival, and I wish you happy Raksha Bandhan all of you in advance. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। शाबाश। यस, कम ऑन तमन्ना।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I am Tanmana Meena. Today I am going to tell you about the festival of Raksha Bandhan. As we all know that there are many festivals are celebrated in our culture like Gango, Tej, Deepavali, etc. So Raksha Bandhan is one of them. It is the festival of brothers and sisters love. It is tendency to celebrate this festival. It comes on Shravan Purnima every year. On this day, sisters apply tika on their brother's forehead and they they tie a pice thread on their brother's wrist and as a return gift brothers give them dress and other things and also promise uh, to for their protection in every problem. On this day, married sisters come on their brother's house and some brother goes to their sister's house for tying a piece thread. uh, Before this festival, the crowd could be seen in the market for purchasing sweets, rakhis, etc. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. ठीक है तमन्ना, वेरी गुड.
Excuse me, sir.
यस.
Sir, can I tell?
हु?
My name is Tanish.
यस तनिष, यस कम ऑन.
Good afternoon,
Please.
sir. My name
Ah.
is Tanish. My topic is mother. My mother name is Alka.
हाँ.
She is very good. She loves me very much.
हाँ,
She
कैमरा चालू कर ले बेटा. हाँ, यस.
She cooks food for us.
हाँ.
She is the backbone of our house. I
Very
love
good.
my mother very much.
वेरी
Thank you.
गुड. ओके,
Thank you,
वेरी
sir.
गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश, शाबाश तनिष, वेरी गुड.
Thank you,
वेरी
sir.
गुड.
Please-
बहुत
thank
अच्छा
you,
किया
sir.
बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की. शाबाश बेटा.
Thank you, sir.
ओके, यस कम ऑन दिव्यांशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Divyanshi and I am the student of Rabar English Interactive Classes B6. Today, our topic is Raksha Bandhan. We all know about it, Raksha Bandhan. There are so many festivals in India like Holi, Diwali, Tej, Gangor, etc. Raksha Bandhan, one of them. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brother and sisters. This day, sisters go to market and purchase rakhi her for their brothers, and they tie rakhi on their brother's hand and apply tika on their brother's head.
फोरहेड. हाँ, बोलो, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ.
And brothers give them gifts and promise that they will also protect them from any problem. Uh, and nowadays, Raksha Bandhan is nowadays Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on Shravan Purnima. This is the last day of Shravan, and the Sanskrit Divas is also celebrated on this day. Nowadays, it has made a business. Shopkeepers sell costly rakhis and sisters have to purchase the costly rakhis, and some people purchase costly rakhis and show that I am tying a costly rakhi, and this day food and sweets are made in the house. Some people bring sweets from the market. Shops and the house are decorated from the lights and the rakhis. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, नाइस एफर्ट्स. शाबाश. श्री.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitika Sharma. Today I am going to telling you about Raksha Bandhan. India is very big country. India is the country of festivals. There are so many festivals celebrated like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Christmas, Eid, etc. Raksha Bandhan is one of them. It is very good festival. It is for it is for all, and it is for sister and brothers. It is festival of sisters and brothers. Um, it is celebrated in August, and before before Raksha Bandhan, sisters sisters buy Rakhi, coconut sweets, and on this day shopkeeper shopkeepers shopkeepers sell costly Rakhi.
हम्म.
So,
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
on this
बोलते रहे बेटा.
day
हाँ.
on this day sisters tie the Rakhi on her brothers, and give him coconut sweets, etc. and and their and her brother gave him money, or gifts, and they give promise to their sisters, uh, that I will help you in all problems.
Very good. हाँ.
um, I I like to make uh, Rakhi at home, and so I um, I made seven Rakhis for my brother and my cousins.
हम्म.
It is I am very excited for this festival, and all people are also very excited for for this festival. On this day, we put on new clothes, and special dishes are made
Very good.
at home. At home, uh, on this day, people are very happy, and most of the sister and brothers are very happy on this day. And ladies go to their brother's house to tie the Rakhi, and brother gave him gifts. My mother is also go my mama's house for tie the Rakhi, and she tie the Rakhi on my mama's wrist,
शाबाश.
and my mama gave him money or gifts, and he promised, then I will help you in all problems.
Good.
I like this festival so much. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Very good बेटा. Yes, come on, Sparsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Ispal Gupta, and I'm the student of Nambad English Online Interactive Classes from batch B1. And today I'm going to tell you about the festival of Raksha Bandhan. India is called the country of festivals. Most of the festivals are celebrated here, like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc. Raksha Bandhan is one of them. It is the festival of brothers and sisters. It is celebrated in the Hindu religion. Sisters and brothers wait for this festival. This festival is celebrated in the Sawan on the Guru Purnima. This day is the last day of Sawan. Everybody seems to be happy on this day. On this day, government government available free bus services for sisters to go their brothers home. On this day, the sisters tie Rakhi on sisters apply tika on the head of their brothers and tie Rakhi, and they wishes that their brother will help them in any crisis or in any problem. For the happiness of their sister, the brothers give gift to them, and they protect them and secure them from any problem. And from any problem, everyone is every market and every streets is decorated with lights and with costly Rakhis. This day is called the happiness or joyness of the day, and today Sanskrit and sorry on the Raksha Bandhan Sanskrit Day is also celebrated, which our language, which is the language of Hindus, and this is the festival. This is very good festival, and this is celebrated in all over India. That's it.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Yes,
Shabash.
thank you.
Yes, come on, Shama.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Uma Sharma. I'm today I'm going to telling about my mother. My mother is Sunita Sharma. She is about 39 years old. She put on simple clothes. She worship God. She go to temple daily.
Hmm.
She cook food for us. She she hard worker.
Hmm.
She look after their children.
Very good. Her children. बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप.
She look after her children. सर बोल रहे हैं. She favorite food dal bati churma.
Her favorite food.
She favorite her
Her
food.
food. Her favorite food. शमा, थोड़ा ध्यान दिया करो आप.
Okay, sir. Her favorite food dal bati churma. She clean house. She get up early in the morning.
Hmm.
She watches TV.
Hmm.
She respect elders. She help poor people.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश करो, बस कोशिश करते रहो, हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यस, कमन रुचिका.
Yes, hello friends, myself Fuchika, and today I'm telling about Raksha Bandhan. As we all know that the India is the festival of countries, and India is the country of festivals, and there many festivals are celebrated like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, etc. One of them is Makar Sankranti. It is celebrated in the month of August, and
रक्षाबंधन की बात करें, मकर संक्रांति की नहीं.
हाँ सर अगस्त.
हाँ, तो रक्षाबंधन बोलो ना, मकर संक्रांति बोल रहे हो आप तो.
Okay, sir. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in the month of August, and it is usually celebrated on the Shravan Purnima. And for this festivals, all sister wait till 1 year, because it comes one time in the 1 year, and on this day all sisters go to their brothers houses, and they apply tika to their forehead, and tie a rakhi on their wrist, and all sisters get the promise of their security, and get many types of gifts, and sisters also pray for their brothers lifelong. And this day, for before this festivals, sister purchase many types of rakhis for their brothers, and this festival shows the love between sister and brothers, and many sweets are made on these festivals, and sisters also give many sweets to their brothers, and this festival is the festival of happiness and love, and that's also.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी बात है, कोशिश करो, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन हर्षित, B9.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, Raksha. India is a country of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in India. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brothers and sisters.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
Sisters relationship is very good relationship.
Hmm.
On this day,
Sisters tie on this day. Sisters tie Rakhi to brothers on this day.
शाबाश बोल, वेरी गुड.
New clothes on this day. Brothers give gifts to sisters. They are
ओके, हो गया बेटा, कोई बात नहीं.
Yes.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है, वेरी गुड. यस हर्षित, B8.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit, and I am the student of B.A. Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is Raksha Bandhan. As we all know that India is the country of festival, Raksha Bandhan is one of them. This festival is a festival of peace and love. That day, sister tie Rakhi to their brother's wrist, and sisters give coconut and some sweets to their brothers, and brothers also give some gifts or money to their sisters. Before Rakhi, sisters buy some Rakhis and sweets from the market, and after the purchasing, they celebrate Rakhi. And Rakhi is a very good festival, and it shows the love of brother and sisters.
Very good.
Brothers promise to their sisters that they will save them from every problem. Sisters also love their brothers, and brothers also love to sisters.
Very good.
सर मैं लेफ्ट हो जाऊँ, मेरे फोन में नेट कम है.
हाँ हाँ, ओके ओके.
सर मेरा नंबर नहीं है सर.
अब तेरा नंबर ही है.
जी सर.
आजा अभिषेक, नंबर है ना, वो तो नंबर से ही आएगा नंबर तो. यस अभिषेक, कम.
सर मेरा कब आया?
नंबर आपका नंबर अपने आप आ जाएगा. आपने चैट बॉक्स में देख लो कहाँ लिखा हुआ है आपका नाम.
सर मेरे 3-4 लोगों से पहले तो इनका आ गया.
नहीं ऐसा, एक मिनट. हाँ तुम्हारा रह गया, कोई बात नहीं, भी बुलवाते हैं तुम्हारे को. अभिषेक तुम बोलो पहले. हाँ ऋतिक तुम्हारा रह गया, ओके अभी देखते हैं. अभिषेक तुम बोलो पहले.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Prajapati. Topic है my mother's. My mother name is Kali Devi. My mother's favorite place is Jammu Kashmir. My mother's age is 30 years old. She do all our work. She cooks new types of food for us. She listen to bhajan in the morning and evening. My mother's favorite color is pink. She gets up early in the morning. She is my best friend. My mother worship God. My mother's favorite color is pink. My mother's favorite singer is Lata Mangeshwar. That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो. यस कम ऑन ऋतिक.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. I talking about my mother. My mother name is Srimati Param Devi. She is 35 years old. She prepare breakfast for us. She takes tea and bread in the breakfast. She gets up early morning. She washes our clothes. She watches TV in the evening.
Good.
She does all household work. She has 4 children. She has 3 goats. She is simple and kind lady. She is hardworking lady. She is religious and polite lady. She rests in the afternoon.
Very good.
She prepares lunch for us. She loves us. We love her. My life is my mom. I love you, mom. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश. Yes, come on दृश्य.
Good evening, all of you. I am Drashya Agrawal, and our today's topic is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan, on Raksha Bandhan, sister shows their present love to brothers.
Hmm.
This is the festival of brothers and sisters. On
Hmm.
this day, sisters go to their brothers' home and apply tika at their forehead and tie rakhi at their wrist.
Hmm.
Um, um, Sisters also give sweet to eat sweets to their brothers and brothers give promise that they will protect their sisters from every problem and give a gift. Um, the meaning of Raksha Bandhan is to protect. Raksha means to protect and Bandhan means bond.
Hmm.
This festival is celebrated on Shravan Mas
Hmm.
Purnima
Hmm.
in August. Um,
Okay.
there is a story of celebrating this festival while killing a bad person named Shishupal. Um, Lord Krishna's hand got cut. Then Draupadi, later on, Draupadi tied her a piece of her cloth
Hmm.
at Lord Krishna's hand.
Hmm.
From that day, um, Raksha Bandhan is being celebrated.
Hmm.
Um, that's it.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा. Drashya told us the reason after celebrating this festival. Very good. Shabas Drashya. Yes, come on, Neha.
Yes, sir. Hello, student. I am Neha Sharma and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. Today, I am here to speak about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is the most important festival of Hindu religion, and it is also called the festival of Rakhi. According to Hindu calendar, it is celebrated on Purnima of Shravan Mas.
Hmm.
It is the festival of brothers and sisters love. On this day, sisters prepare puja thali with kumkum, diya, sweets, rakhi, etc.
Hmm.
and 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 worship the god. uh, they they tie Raksha Bandhan, they tie Rakhi on their brother's hand and wish for their well being.
Hmm.
Brothers give gifts to their sisters and take a long life vow to protect their sister.
Hmm.
It is celebrated in the memory of Krishna's and Draupadi love. Once Krishna's finger got cut during fight with Shishupal. Uh, at the time at the time Draupadi immediately at that time Draupadi immediately tore off a piece of sari and and wrapped on Krishna's finger. Due to this sisterly love act, Krishna promised to rescue her to rescue her from many difficulties.
Yes, yes, come on.
And
Hmm.
this festival is a symbol of love togetherness. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Shabash. Very
Thank you,
good,
sir.
beta. Yes, Anju.
Yes, sir. Hello,
Aja.
everyone. Today, my topic Raksha Bandhan. There are many festivals celebrated in India.
Hmm.
Raksha Bandhan is one of them.
Hmm.
Raksha Bandhan famous festival. It is celebrated on the full moon of the month,
Very good. Yes.
full of the month of Sawan. It
Hmm.
is coming month of August. This is a festival very important, brother and sister.
Hmm.
People make many type dishes these days. Sister purchase sweets and rakhi for
Hmm.
her brother.
Hmm.
Brothers purchase gifts for his sister. This day, sister and brother wear new clothes. On this day, sister applies tilak on her brother forehead and
Hmm.
tie Rakhi on her brother breast.
Hmm.
And sister eat sweets her brother.
Hmm.
Brother gives gifts to his sister and promise to take care of her in every situation.
Hmm.
Sister pray to God for the safe, good health and bright future.
Hmm.
The whole family is happy on this day of Raksha Bandhan.
वेरी गुड.
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, आज सही बोला तुमने. तबीयत ठीक है तुम्हारी?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. ओके, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन प्रीति.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agarwal. Today, our topic is Raksha Bandhan.
Hmm.
India is the country of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated here, and Raksha Bandhan is one of them. And all the festivals have their own story, and Raksha Bandhan has also its own story. As the cousin of Lord Krishna, named Shishupal, was got a boon that the Lord Krishna will forgive his 100 mistakes, but if he will make the 101 mistakes, then Lord Krishna will kill him. So at this day, the Shishupal committed his 101 mistake, and the Lord Krishna used his chakra to kill Shishupal. When
Hmm.
he was trying to kill Shishupal, his little finger cut down.
Hmm.
So the Draupadi, who was the friend of Lord Krishna,
Hmm.
and she looked at his finger that his finger was bleeding, so she did not think about anything, and she torn a piece of her sari, and she tied it on Lord Krishna's little finger.
Hmm.
So on that day, Lord Krishna promised her that from today you have become my sister,
Hmm.
and I will protect you always from all the problems.
Hmm.
And he also fulfilled his promise, that we all have learnt about the Mahabharata, and
Hmm.
when Duryodhana was trying to pull the sari of Draupadi, so Lord Krishna helped Draupadi at that
वेरी गुड.
time.
बहुत
Um,
अच्छा. हाँ.
um, the Draupadi prayed to the Lord Krishna. She called the Lord Krishna that now your sister is in a problem. Please come and save me. So
Hmm.
Lord Krishna came and saved her sister very
Hmm.
nicely. And from that day we have started to celebrate this festival. And
Hmm.
um, the now I am telling you what is happening now these days on this festival.
Hmm.
From this On this festival, with a few days ago, there are many kinds of rakhis are available in the market. Sisters purchase rakhis for their brothers, and
Hmm.
they also purchase sweets and the favorite things of their brothers. Some sisters buy some sisters buy clothes for their brothers, and they don't purchase the rakhis for only their brothers. They also purchase the rakhis for their sister-in-law also.
Hmm.
And they those sisters who are married, they go to their brother's home on this day, maternal home. So when they also get sweets for their brothers, and um, they they put the tika, they apply tika on their brother's forehead, and tie rakhi on their brother's wrist.
Hmm.
Their brothers, um, many kinds of sweets and many kinds of dishes are also made at home.
Hmm.
Sisters fast on this day, and before one day, the sisters apply mehendi on their hands, and they always pray for their brothers'
Hmm.
betterment, a bright future, and they always wish that their brother should long live and there should be no problem in his home.
Hmm.
And sisters also wish that their brothers should always get growth in their life.
Hmm.
And with this wish, the sisters go to their brother's home, and they apply all the veneration and all the customs of this on this festival. And brothers also uh, also promise to their sisters that they will always protect them from any problem, and they will always help them if they are in any problem. And they also give the gifts to their sisters. That's it from my side.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश प्रीति. यस, कम ऑन वंश.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Vanshama from Batch B8. Hello, friends. I am telling about Raksha Bandhan. Um, it is a festival of brothers and sisters' love. It comes on Shravan month's Purnima. This day, sisters purchase Rakhi and on sweets and brothers purchase gifts for their sisters. Sisters come and brothers' house and apply tika on brothers head, and and tie rakhi on their hand. Mm. Brothers give gifts for their sisters, and brothers to promise brothers promise to sisters, he he, he will he will every problem to help.
He will help her in every
He
problem. हाँ
will
बेटा, कोई
help
बात नहीं
her.
बेटा, शाबाश, अच्छा बोल रहा है तू, वेरी गुड. हाँ,
I like Raksha Bandhan. That's it.
वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश किया कर बस थोड़ी सी, है ना.
Okay, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ओके, यस, यामिनी.
Hello friends, my name is Yamini. Today's topic is mother. My mother name is Jyoti Sahu. She is 37 years old. She is a housewife. She teach to us. She get up 5 o'clock. She clean house. She wash clothes. She go to temple every day. She make food to us. She his favorite color is yellow.
Her favorite color. Her favorite color.
Her favorite color is yellow. She pass. She 12th class. She is 12th class pass. She likes watch TV. She watch smartphone sometime. She eat food and watch TV. She celebrate many festivals like Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, etc. She we proud of him. We proud of her.
We are proud of her. हाँ हाँ बोल.
I like my mom very much. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है. शाबाश. Yes, शिवराज.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivraj Narwal. My topic, my mother. My mother's name is Sita. My mother gives us tea snack. My mother loves me. My mother is 44 years old. She get up early in the morning. My mother helps me. I love my mother. My mother is very good in cooking. She is very hardworking.
शाबाश.
Great day, sir.
वेरी गुड. ओके, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, अभी तो तुमको स्पीकिंग ही चालू नहीं करवाई मैंने, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलने लग गए हो आप. ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. यस, कम ऑन मोना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic is Raksha Bandhan. It is celebrated. It is celebrated 7 March. It is festival of brothers and sisters. And this day, sisters apply their I
Your voice is not clear, Mona. Make it clear. आप इसको ठीक करके बाद में आओ. हाँ, अभी आवाज आपकी क्लियर नहीं है, इसको ठीक करके वापस आओ आप. थोड़ी लोकेशन चेंज करो अपनी. Yes, come on, Sonam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone, I am Sonam Meena. Today I am talking about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of Hindus. It is also called the Festival of Rakhi. It is celebrated across all over India. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bound. Uh, Thus, Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. It is a festival of brother and sister. On this day, people get up early and wear new clothes. Sister put Rakhi, shoot diya and haldi on a thali. Brother bring their sister's favorite things as gift to give them in return. They both sit at one place to perform the ritual. Sisters tie the colorful skirt thread and make their brothers eat shoot with their own hands out of love. The Rakhi is a symbol of a sister's love that stays with a brother forever. It is a festival to celebrate love and duty. That's it.
Okay, very good. Yes, Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. My name is Komal Meena. Today I am telling about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival of India. It is also called the Festival of Rakhi. It is celebrated all over India. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Those Raksha Bandhan means the bond of protection. It is a festival of brothers and sisters. On this day, people get up early and wear new clothes. Raksha Bandhan is one of the most important festival of Hindus. On this day, sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers. It brings happiness to the family. Brothers also promises his sisters to protect her. Brothers give a gift to his sisters. It is celebrated with full joy. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of togetherness. Sisters prayers for the long life of their brothers. Thanks, sir.
Very good. कोमल,
Yes, sir.
इतने दिनों में आई है लेकिन बराबर है अभी तक तो है. बहुत अच्छा बेटा, शाबाश. Yes, come on, Karina.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a very special occasion for the Indian siblings. It is celebrated between the brother and their sisters. It is for the long-lasting bond that they share. This year Raksha Bandhan is on 22 August 2021. Sisters all around the country will express their love for their brothers, promising the long-lasting love. And for them, Raksha Bandhan is a very common occasion all over the country. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in almost all Indian households. The bond which brother and sister share between themselves is unique. They might be fighting at one moment and the very next moment they end up making
Very good. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा.
and solving the fighting and quarrel. There is one of the purest and the genuine friendship bonds. Siblings play with each other. They have also been there for each other and support each other and protect each other. Raksha Bandhan is only a small way to share the bond with the sister and the brothers. That's all.
बहुत बढ़िया. तुम्हारे वर्ड्स बहुत कंटेंट्स बहुत अच्छे थे तुम्हारे बेटा. बस कोशिश करते रहो. शाबाश. यस, रश्मि. हाँ बेटा, बहुत अच्छा किया तुमने. यस, रश्मि आ जाओ.
My mother. Hello everyone, I am talking about my mother. My mother name is Ansi Devi Meena. Her age is 35 years old. Her qualification is 9th passed. she have 4 daughters. Her husband name is Mahichan Meena.
Hmm.
Her favorite game is badminton.
Hmm.
She hobby is
Her
dancing.
hobby. She hobby nahi, her hobby.
Okay, sir. Her hobby is dancing.
Hmm.
He loves us.
Hmm. She loves us.
She
थोड़ा
loves.
ध्यान से बेटा. हाँ.
Okay, sir. He care. Her care my family.
Hmm.
Her father name is Charatlal Meena.
Hmm.
She is a housewife.
Hmm. She is a housewife.
She takes breakfast daily.
Hmm.
She walk daily in evening.
Hmm.
Done, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड. बस कोशिश कर, थोड़ा ध्यान से बेटा, है ना. थोड़ा ध्यान से कोशिश करते रहो बस. यस, कम ऑन विनय. विनय
Good
मैडम.
evening, yes, sir.
यस.
Yes. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you something about Raksha Bandhan. India is the land of festivals, and we are celebrated lots of festivals, and Raksha Bandhan is one of them. There is some stories behind this festival. Why do we celebrate this festival? One story about Krishna and Draupadi. Once Krishna.
मैडम योर आवाज, मेक योर वॉइस क्लियर.
Okay, once Krishna's finger got cut during the fight with Shishupal. At this time, Draupadi immediately tore off a piece of sari and wrapped on the finger of Krishna's. By due to this act, Krishna promised to Draupadi to rescue her from any difficulty. And second one is Rani Karnavati tie Raksha Sutra on his brother's wrist when he went to the war battle, when he went for the battle. And now I will tell you about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is one of the most famous festivals of Hindus in India. It is celebrated to be called of Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sisters bond. On this day, sisters tie a special bond called Rakhi, and Rakhi is made up of cotton thread, silk thread. It can be the gold and silver also. And sister come to her brother's house from their houses, and so on this day, sister prepare thali, puja thali, with the diya, roli, sweets, chawal, and first they worship the god, then they tie the rakhi on their brother's wrist and wish for their well-being. And the returns brother give gift to their sisters and take long life or to protect their sisters. This festival is the festival of love, togetherness, happy, faith, bond. On this day, tasty food and sweets are cooked at home, and ghevar is the main sweet of this festival in UP. And we are living in a very busy schedule, and no one has time to meet each other. So these type of festivals bring family members together, and they come to each other, and they meet with each other and spread lots of happiness. And Raksha Bandhan is one of the most beautiful festivals. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. And that's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड. थोड़ी सी आवाज आपकी क्लियर नहीं थी, बाकी ठीक है. यस, कम ऑन पूर्णिमा.
Okay, sir.
पूर्णिमा के कंटेंट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, सो ऑल ट्राई टू लिसन टू हर so carefully. Yes, come on Purnima.
Thank you, sir.
And please make your voice clear.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. This festival is the way to spread unity and oneness among the people belonging to various religions community. The celebration of Raksha Bandhan is a delightful ceremony of brothers and sisters popularly celebrated in India. This festival is beautifully celebrated. Brothers surprise their sisters and express love for them. It is a very happy occasion performed with excitement and enthusiasm. It can be celebrated between any two people who share a lovingly bond of friendship and brotherhood. The sister tie a thread known as Rakhi on the brother's wrist. On the brother's wrist, and the brothers are promised to protect and take care of them for a lifetime. Raksha Bandhan is a big and main festival which is celebrated in all over the India. All over then before some days of Raksha Bandhan we celebrated Tees. Tees is the main festival of married women. This day all married women get dressed up very beautifully, swing and sing their local songs. Raksha Bandhan is the festival of brothers and sisters and this is a very beautiful festival. This day all brothers and sisters try to meet each other wherever they are. Sister tag a band on the brother's wrist and brothers are give them gifts. Rakhi is the symbol of love and unity. But if we study Hindu mythology, it is conducted that Rakhi was not performed traditionally by siblings in ancient times. The wives conduct their rites on their husbands. In the legend tells of Lord Indradev and his wife Sachi, Lord Indra went to a battle went on a battle with a powerful Asur king Bali. Fearing and threatened life of Lord Indra, his wife Sachi tied a paw bracelet of her husband's wrist that was given to by Lord Vishnu. Thus, in ancient time, the tying of thread has become a traditional of married couple. But in the present time, it has extended from brothers and sisters to every kind of relations. During the British period, British Raj, this holy festival was celebrated to promote friendship and unity among different communities. But sometimes disturbed by foreign rules interventions. The festival not The festival is not only observed by the Hindus but also by people belonging to other communities. As such, it has been named differently. For instance, in South India, Raksha Bandhan is called Avani Avtar. And somewhere in some religion, it is called Kazari Purnima. Raksha Bandhan is a famous festival which is celebrated in all over the India. According to the lunar calendar, this festival is observed on the day of the full moon in the month of July or August. This is a very auspicious. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड. थोड़ी सी आपकी आवाज आज गड़बड़ थी पर कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा. हाँ, आवाज क्लियर नहीं है आपकी, आज कम भी है और क्लियर भी नहीं है. यस नारायणा.
Okay. Yes. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival of brother and sister. This festival shows love between brother and sister. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu religion. This is festival which celebrate the bond of brother and sister. And it is one of our most important festivals. It is celebrated on full moon day of Hindu month of Shravan. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Sister tie Rakhi on brother's waist and brother mm, give gift to sister. Uh, it's one of my favorite festivals, and the brother promised to the sister to protect and take care of them lifetime. I have one cousin brother named Azraj, and we love each other. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा. Yes, Mona.
Yes, sir.
आजा.
Hello everyone. Today my topic is Raksha Bandhan. It is festival. Rakhi is also important festival. It is celebrated Shravan Mass. It is festival of brothers and sisters. This day, sister apply tika to their brother and tired Rakhi, and brother give gifts to their sister. And on this day, people put on new clothes, and people purchase sweets, rakhi, and other things. And this day, people make special food, and and
हाँ बोलो 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 बेटा बोल.
and Raksha Bandhan is very important festival. That's it, sir.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं है. कोशिश करो और थोड़ी कोशिश करो. Yes, come on, Koinur.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kunal and I'm the student of Raman English Online 11 Captive classes from Batch B8. Today I'm going to tell you about most of the special festival Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
celebrates between the both brothers and their sisters. The meaning of Raksha Bandhan. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Some people calls this festival Rakhi Purnima. In this day, the sisters prepare a plate with diya, roli, rice, and rakhi. And before this festival, they also purchase. Sisters also purchased some sweets, chocolates, etc. from the market. First of all, the sisters tie rakhi to their sisters, to to their brothers, and brothers also gives some gift, and some brothers gives money to their sisters. Mm. This festival is celebrated in the month of August. According to Hindu calendar, uh, it is celebrated in the month of Shravan. I also celebrate this festival with my both sisters. First of all, they apply tika on my forehead, and tie rakhi, and feeds uh, to me eat eat sweet, and sweet, and and may also feed them to eat sweet, and and I also give gifts to my both sisters, whatever she asks for me. I I love my both sisters very much. I like this festival very much, and tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you in advance. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा. शाबाश बेटा. Yes, Pooja.
Yes, I'm talking about you, my mom. My mother's name is Prem Bhatt. She is 35 years old. Mm, She gets up early in the morning. She prepares food for us.
Hmm.
Washes our clothes.
Hmm.
She takes mm, tea and bread in breakfast.
Hmm.
She watches TV.
Hmm.
She she wears Rajasthani dress.
Hmm.
Her favorite color is blue.
Hmm.
Favorite Her favorite food rice and paneer.
Hmm.
She watches TV. She goes to temple on Monday.
Hmm.
She is kind and polite lady.
Hmm.
Working lady.
Shabash. Hmm.
She helps all.
Hmm.
And she she proud of mm, us,
Hmm.
and we are proud of him.
Her.
We are proud of her.
Hmm.
My mom is my life.
Hmm.
I am proud of you. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है, शाबाश। यस अशफाक।
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan and I am the student of Ramban English Online Detective Classes. We all know that today's our topic is about Raksha Bandhan.
Hmm.
Raksha Bandhan is the festival of Indians. There are many types of festival in our country like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Makar Sankranti, etc.
Hmm.
Uh, most of the festival are important. Raksha Bandhan is one of them. Mm, One of them. This festival is celebrated on Shravan Purnima according to Hindi calendar, and this festival is celebrated in August month in according to English calendar.
Hmm.
On the shopkeepers sell rakhis on their shops, and they decorate their shops with rakhis. All the women and sisters go to market and purchase
सर
rakhis for.
हाँ।
चाय पियोगे आप?
नहीं, तुम अभी बीच में मत बोल, बीच में मत बोल, बाद
ओके
में
सर।
पीऊंगा बेटा। हाँ, बोल बोलो अशफाक, बोलो।
and
थैंक यू बेटा। हाँ।
and sisters and women purchase rakhi to their brothers, for their brothers, and the, some women go to their brothers home, and they tie rakhi on their brother's hand, and then they apply tilak on their brother's forehead, on their brother's head.
Hmm.
Then the all then their brothers give gift according their ability.
शाबाश।
Then uh, then uh, then brothers give promise to their sisters that he will protect him in her all problems. This is not festival of only Hindus. This is festival of every caste of person, because this is the festival of sisters and brothers. Sisters and brothers. Sister and brothers celebrate this festival with happiness.
Hmm.
This this is also festival of students and teachers love. On the day in Gurukul, uh, teachers tie Raksha Sutra on their students' hand. Then they get promise to protect he.
Hmm.
This festival is celebrated in the memory of Krishna and Lord Krishna and Draupadi. And I have no word in I have no word. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे हो अशफाक, थोड़ा रेगुलर रहो आप बस,
Okay, sir.
बाकी सब बढ़िया। यस कम ऑन प्रदीप।
Yes, sir. I am the student of Ramban online classes, batch B9.
Hmm.
Today I am talk about Raksha Bandhan.
Hmm.
Raksha Bandhan is the festival of love with sisters and brothers. Rakhi is all about the bond of love and trust between brother and sister. And the name of the festival itself means bond of protection. The sister ties a Rakhi around the wrist of her brother and pray for his long and happy life. And brother also to give gift to her to his brother to his sister in in that day in that day or brother always pray for safety of his sister in that day we celebrate Diwali we celebrate Raksha Bandhan because the because Lord Krishna and Draupadi. One day it was one day was one day was the Lord Krishna used his Sudarshan Chakra to mm, Shishupal. Then by the Sudarshan Chakra, Lord Krishna's fingers have a small cut. That day, a Draupadi cut down a piece of his sari and cut down the piece of sari and wrist Lord Krishna's finger. And the Lord Krishna promised Draupadi to help in every problem and every difficulty in the whole life of Draupadi. One day, one day on the Mahabharat, the game of one day, it, one day when the Kaurav 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 insult Draupadi, then Lord Krishna helped Draupadi and saved him. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो प्रदीप, शाबाश। और कोई रह गया है क्या? मेरे ख्याल से तो सब हो गए, फिर भी कोई रह गया हो तो बोलो, इफ देयर इज एनीवन। कोई भी रह गया है तो बोलो। ओके थैंक यू, मैं स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ इसको बंद।
ओके सर, बाय।